Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you guys how to make your own labels, your own tags. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I have my own brand called Shades by Motseokae, and I make bags and other garments. So these are the tags that I'm talking about, and I made these myself, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So stick around to know what I'm talking about.
It's random. Hey guys, it's the girl that gives you guys content you never asked for. So the first thing that you want to do, we're going to get straight into it, is look for your logo on your computer. You should have one if you already have a brand. This is how my logo looks like. I've had it for quite some time, and this was for a project. So the next thing that I did was made multiple rectangles, and put in my logo. We all know how to do that, right? Please excuse my ring light. This is how it looks when it is enlarged. The next thing that you want to do is cut out your fabric. This is a single poly cotton fabric that I got from the shop, a fabric shop. So if you want to go to a fabric shop and get it, say a single poly cotton fabric. And what you want to do is trace out an A4 size piece of paper onto the fabric. I use the ruler to make my lines nice and straight, so I'd suggest or advise you to do the same. This is how it looks. It's not that clear, but there is a rectangle over there, and now it's time to cut it. You want to really take your time with the cutting and make sure that you get the lines nice and straight. Be patient with yourself, don't rush. Okay, we got all the time. The next thing you want to do is cut out interfacing for this piece of fabric. It has to be the same size as your piece of fabric, and you want to cut two of these interfacings from this type of interfacing. I forgot what kind of interfacing it is, but for any other projects that you would like to do when doing these labels, I would suggest that you get a paper interfacing. A paper interfacing is a lot harder than this one, and so it will make it a lot easier and faster for you, so you don't have to cut two pieces at the same time. And now the next thing that you want to do is attach that interfacing onto your fabric by just ironing it on. Make sure you get the corners really good. If there are any corners flapping, your machine will actually mess it up. Now it's time to print it out. It's better to print on grayscale or black and white to get a nicer, richer black color on the fabric. How you want to put in your fabric is by making sure that the fabric side is facing down and the interfacing is facing up. This will also depend on your machine. Mine prints out like this. This will ensure that the logos will be printed on the fabric side instead of the interfacing side, because then that would not be a good thing. I must also say that you need to put in this piece of paper now really good, because I did this on the same video and it jammed in the machine, but we never gave up, and so I did it again and it came out really good. So guys, this is how it looks, and the next thing that you want to do is actually put this into a vinegar so that it soaks up, and this will ensure that the ink actually lasts a very long time. When you wash it, it won't wash out, but I didn't do this in this video. This is just something that I'm telling you right now, and yeah guys, this was really simple. So the next thing that I'm doing is just folding in those white areas so that I can actually attach it to a bag that I make, and I just cut off the corners there, because as small as it is, when you fold those corners, they tend to push out a little, and that's not a good look. So guys, that is it for the video. The next pictures is how it looked in the end, and that's how I attached it onto the bag. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.
It's random.